Today we'll be making cheesecake! Oh yes, okay. This is a very yummy recipe. Delicious. Also, this is a very fun to make. Oh, yeah, we also enjoy eating it. That's the best part. Yeah. Okay, anyways, go off track. Let's get started. Okay. First, you'll need 160 grams of cream cheese. My sister will pour that in. Next, we need hay. Next, we'll need 35 grams of butter. Scoop it in. Thank you. Okay, after that, you'll need 60 grams of milk. Pour it in. Alright, now that that's done, we'll need to microwave it for about 2 minutes. Will you do that? Yeah! While that's going, I will crack 3 eggs. So first crack on one side. Don't crack all around or else, well, it'll be hard to get out. So then stick your thumbs in and then crack another egg, stick your thumbs in and pull out. Just like that. I feel like I got a little eggshell on there. No. Take them out. But so much stuck to the egg. Are those eggshell? No, they're not. Yeah. No, they're not. Okay, anyways, off track again. Take the egg yolk out. I'm gonna take the next one out. Okay. Oh, eggs can make you sick. So after this, you must wash your hands. No touching your mouth or face. Yes. So now, okay, just take these. Let me take the next one out. Sure. Okay. Oh, it's slimy and jiggly. Feels weird. Okay, stop playing with the egg yolk. Once the mixture's done being microwaved, you have to pour the egg yolks into the mixture. You can do that. You'll use a spatula to scrape the egg yolk off the bottom of the bowl. Okay, once that's done, use your spatula and mix it. Okay, now that that's done, once that mixture is mixed thoroughly, you'll need to sift 25 grams of flour. I'm going to use cake flour. Can you pour it in? The sifter. Top, right there. Okay, sift. Now you'll sift it by just kind of okay, now that that's done, we'll need to mix it with the egg beater. Oh, what? One. Let me do this. Okay. There we go. Okay, my sister will do that. This goes over here. Yes. There we go. I think it's done. It out. Now our focus will be on the egg white. Put that by the side. This. Next, I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice into the egg white. Only a bit though. Don't squeeze too much, or else your cake will be sour. The reason of doing this is to help this egg white become white and fluffy. That's into it. Okay, my sister will beat it for a bit. Also, once it has bubbles, you'll need to add 40 sugar. Alright, you can stop. Okay, see, as you see, it's starting to bubble. So now we'll be adding 40 grams of sugar. Alright, so just pour this in.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, yes, you can pour it. Don't use your hands. Okay, now I will keep on beating it. I'll go to speed 3. You need to go to speed 5. Is ready. So take it out, okay? And then the pigs are drooping. Let's keep going. I think it's ready. It's ready for the 4th time. Can you move, please? Okay, thanks. The pigs look a bit big. Yes, good. Okay, I want to see that again. Yeah, these are proper peaks. Okay, so that's done. You will need to be pouring these 2 mixtures into each other. But do not pour the egg yolk into the egg white. Your cheesecake will be flat, it will not taste soft, and it'll be too creamy. Don't want that to happen.
Only if you like creamy cheesecakes.
Okay, yeah. Now, you want to pour? Okay, you're going to use a spatula. Use a spatula and pour that nice fluffy stuff in. Now, my favorite part. Mix the egg white into the egg yolk.
We call it the grand finale.
Yup. So, do not use an egg beater. It will mix it too roughly and your cheesecake will not be puffy at all. So just see, you can scrape off the sides and then flatten it in. Once the sides are scraped off, there. Now just flatten it out everywhere.
I want to flatten it out.
All right, here, you can do it. Now I think I'm done mixing. All right.
Once you're done with that, pour it in here.
It's in a 6-inch cake pan. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. No, you don't need a spatula for this. Okay, you don't need a spatula. You will also need to ask the grown-ups to put boiling water into your pan so the cake won't crack. You need to bake the cake at 250 degrees and for 1 hour. See you in an hour. Bye. Hi guys, we're back. This cheesecake was in the oven for 1 hour, in the fridge for about 3 hours. Let's try it now.
Okay, let's see how it tastes. Only a bitty cake. Only a bit.
Oops.
That's
Okay,
good.
that's for my sister. And now this part's for me.
Not that squishy though.
Not very squishy.
Good.
Oh, did you know that this was my first video on YouTube? I'm really excited to put it out there. Thanks for watching.
And if you like it, give it a big thumbs up.
Also, subscribe. Thanks for watching and bye.